Hi guys, my name is Amber and I'm here at Nassau English School London to give you guys a short English class. So today's class is going to be on phrasal verbs that you would hear particularly in a classroom. So if you're studying in the UK, these would be very, very helpful for you. So I'm going to share my screen and hopefully you can see everything that I can see. So phrasal verbs for school. Number 1 and number 2 are very similar. So you have hand out and hand in. To hand out is to give out something. Okay, to give everyone something. If I am a teacher and you are a student, I will maybe hand out a worksheet or hand out a pen. I will give everyone a pen. Hand in is the opposite. Okay, this is to return or to give something to the teacher. So hand out to give out and hand in to return. Okay, 2 phrasal verbs you will hear in an English classroom. So I have the teacher handed out a worksheet to all the students. And at the end of the class, please hand in your homework. Okay, 2 examples for you. The next phrasal verb is sign up or sign up for. And this means to register your name. Normally we would physically write our name. So the example I have is don't forget to sign up for the trip to Cambridge. In the school we have social activities for different trips around London, and we always say, sign up for the activity, write your name, register your name for the activity. Okay, so sign up for. The next one is to turn up or show up. And this means to go, normally in a class setting or a school setting. So to go. You should not turn up late for school. You should not go to school late. Turn up or show up. Maybe as a teacher you'll say, please remember to turn up early tomorrow because we are going on an activity. Or don't forget to show up early tomorrow for the activity. So to be early, to go to school early. The next one is catch up on. Catch up on. This is to do something that you have missed. So maybe if you don't go to school one day, if you miss a day of school, you need to catch up on the work. So we have Jay didn't go to class on Friday. She needs to catch up on the lesson. She needs to do the homework. She needs to study all of the work that she didn't do before. Okay, if you are late or if you miss school, you normally need to catch up on the work. Okay, moving on, we have read up on. Read up on. This means to research. The sentence I have is for homework, please read up on the history of London. Okay, please do some research on the history of London. I really like this phrasal verb. I use it a lot myself, and it's very helpful to know. So to read up on is to research. And finally, speak up. Speak up. As a teacher, I say this a lot to my students, and it just means speak louder. Okay, I can't hear you. Please speak up. Okay, be louder. Let me know if you've heard this before. Maybe I have said it to you. So the last one is speak up, to speak louder. Okay guys, that is today's class. So there were some very helpful phrasal verbs for studying in the UK, for being in school, in a classroom. I'll see you guys on Friday. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.